Well, actually, I loved this smile. That's why I came here. Of course not. This is ugly. That's why I'm here. I mean, there's nothing here that's so good. Well, it all started, my teeth were not in as good a shape as I really wanted them to be aesthetically. But beyond that, the shaping and the coloring of my teeth, to me, it matters a lot. A person's smile, a person's presentation. And my doctor, who I had for 34 years, he highly recommended. He says, Al, I go to them. That's what gave me all the necessary reassurance that I needed, because I did value his opinion immensely. You just want to feel a lot more confident in yourself. When I first came here, and everything thereafter, everything was like super phenomenal. When I say super phenomenal, I'm talking about not only their professionalism, but their demeanor, their approach, mega TLC, and the element of perfection is above and beyond. To tell you the truth, I love these guys. They're great. They're great. Their professionalism is so evident and so obvious. They're very caring, they're very personal, very kind, their whole demeanor. And a lot of times, I mean, people could be really up there intellectually, and they're so far removed from being real. I feel as if I'm coming to my best friends. Very relaxed, very comfortable, treated royally with TLC. And the results are great. No, it's really a plus, great plus.